On. Nicholas crashed really hard.
What?
We make the streams louder.
What's up everybody, Condor Riding here. Welcome back to another video. And we just hit 1,000 subscribers. It is amazing. So since we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna be driving the dirt bike on this super icy day. It's bad, guys, but we let the bike warm up a little bit. Probably still needs to warm up some more, but oh, it's slippery. Right here's the icy part. And then once you're over here, it's smooth sailing. 1,000 subscribers. Insane. We're going up so quick, guys. Like, I went up like 300 subscribers yesterday and 500 today. It's crazy. We're about to hit 2,000 actually by the time you guys probably see this video. It's not that bad conditions. 1,000 is a big deal, guys. That's a big milestone. And we're almost at 2,000. So I was in the middle of making my 500 special video when I hit 1,000. So that's pretty cool. I'm getting no traction. And that's a 250. I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos, because there's gonna be many more coming. I changed my upload schedule to 3 days. So I've been doing that for a while now, so taking it to new adventures. I wanna go to this park right here. Send it in there. Oh, never mind. Catching up and oh, hard crash, oh, hard crash, oh, hard crash.
Trying to pass me, huh?
Don't tell mom and dad, okay? And I ate it hard. They're not gonna let me drive it anymore.
Real smooth.
Well, there's your 1,000 subscriber special, guys. Eating it hard. I'm not even, wow. That was bad. Hurt on my knee. Jeez. Not telling my parents about that one. Moto Madness, if you're watching this, hit me up. 1,000 subscriber special. Like I said, there you have it. Crashing the dirt bike. I was at least in 4th gear, pinned, and then boom, down on the ground. Oh, that, I blinked and then all of a sudden I'm on the ground. Thank you guys for watching the 1,000 subscriber special. I just hit 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you leave a like on this video, comment Moto Madness below so he uses this video, and subscribe for more. See you guys next time. Peace.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going when I'm going again. I've been going